Hey friends, you're back. It's hump day. You ever see that commercial? That means it's Wednesday, all right? So we are back with Heggerty, week 15. And don't worry, I know you were thinking about him. I did bring my little friend Froggy with us. He will be here all week. Let's try to keep him on my shoulder today, all right? So we are starting with our letters. Make sure you're saying them with me, friends. I want to see those lips moving. Speak loud. All right, let's try it. The letter is U. The sound is or U. The letter is A. The sound is or A. The letter is I. The sound is or I. The letter is E. The sound is or E. The letter is O. The sound is or O. The letters. We're done with our vowels already. Look at that. Okay, digraphs. H brothers. The letters are PH. The sound is right. The letters are WH. The sound is W. The letters are SH. The sound is sh. The letters are TH. The sound is th. The letters are, don't stay with me, Froggy, CH. The sound is ch. And now we're to our blends. The letters are S and the sound is SN. Good. Say it with me, friends. The letters are SK. The sound is SK. The letters are BR. The sound is BR. The letters are FL. The sound is full. The letters are GL. The sound is goal. The letters are SP. The sound is sp. The letters are SW. The sound is sw. This one we haven't done yet. Ooh, do you know this one? The letters are TW. The sound is tw. Like 12. All right, friends, give yourself a pat on the back. Good job, Froggy. Woo! All right, we are back to our nonsense words. I love this one. Are you ready? The category is things families may have in their homes. So think about things you have in your home, and you're going to rhyme with my nonsense word with something in your house, okay, or in your home. So, blomputer. Not blomputer, computer. Try brouch. Think of something in your house that rhymes with brouch. Not brouch, couch. Good. Cleds. Think about what you sleep in. Not cleds, beds. Grath-tub. Grath-tub. I gave you a clue. Not grath-tub, bathtub. Flable. Not flable. What is it? Table. Good. Drayers. Not drayers. Chairs. Yes, friends. Yay. Give yourself some snaps. Good job. Yeah. All right, let's move on. I'm going to say 3 words. You tell me the 2 that rhyme. Look, tree, trap. Not rhyme, I'm sorry. Have the same beginning sounds. This is onset fluency. Beginning sounds. So let's do it again. Look, tree, trap. Tree, trap. Dream, dry, saw. Dream, dry. Good. Done, press, proud, which 2 have the same beginning. Press, proud. Crab, bike, cross. Crab, cross. Good. Frame, free, best. Frame, free. Took, breeze, brand. Breeze, brand. Grand, put, grace. Grand grace. You hear that grr? Nice job, friends. Lift up, pat on the back. How about we also do a little raise the roof? Raise the roof. Yeah, awesome. All right. We are going to blend the word. So I break it apart. You tell me what it is. A. Tray. Good. Sh. Brush. Excellent. Up. Crap. Drive. Say it. Don't forget to say it. I'll do the segmenting. You just blend. Are you ready? Frog. You got it. I picked the right animal for today. Grand. Grand. Excellent. Press. Press. Truck. You got it. Blend it. Bridge. Bridge. And cramp. All right, friends. Now we're doing middle sounds. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to do a little cheer. Let's buckle in, huh? We'll do roller coaster. Click, click. All right. Click, 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 click. We're going up to the top. Woo, woo, woo. Froggy's going to have to get down for a little bit. Here we go. Middle sound, the middle vowel sound, okay? Listen for it. Say the sound you hear, and then identify it. Is it a short or long sound? So pledge, spent, trek. Short E. Good. Drank, space, snail. Oh, no. Drank, space. Sorry, I was going Snail. It's A. Long A. Stock, plot, drop. Off. Short O. Still, cliff, trick. Short I. Skunk, plum, love. Short U. Drive, blind, price. I, long I. Flap, drag, stack. There's the Short A. Good. Scope, probe, spoke. O, long O. Friends, that's awesome. Let's do a yeehaw. Nice job. All right, I'm going to say the word. Get your choppers ready, and you break it apart for me. So repeat my word and then break it. Segment it. Probe. You say it. Probe. P-R-O-B. Tribe. You say it. Tribe. Break it apart. T-R-I-B. Break. B-R-A-K. Good job. Crack. You say it. Now do it. K-R-A-K. Good. Drain. You say it. Drain. D-R-A-N. Good job. Fries. Your turn. Fries. R-I-Z. Gravy. Long one. Are you ready? You say it. Gravy. Break it. G-R-A-V-E. Look at that. Prize. Here we go. Prize. P-R-I-Z. One more. Brave, like all of you are brave. Brave. B-R-A-V. That was so good. Let's just do our fireworks. Psh, 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 psh. Awesome job. Okay, we are moving on to change the beginning sound. Mrs. Valor's favorite part. I do love this one. Okay, so repeat the word and then change the beginning sound. Blind. You say it. Blind. Change the B, bowl, to gur. Grind. Clip. Clip. Change the coal to dur, and the word is drip. Yeah. Fly. You say it. Fly. Change full to purr, and it's pry. Good. The new word. Glue. You say it. Glue. Change goal to tur, and it's true. Fleece. You say it. Fleece. Change the full, and the word is grease. Forgot to give you the sound. Sorry. Scout. You say it. Scout. Change the sk to gur. Grout. Please. You say it. Please. Change pull to burr. Breeze. Smog. You say it. Smog. Change the sm to fur, and the word is frog. Sneeze. Sneeze. Change the sn to fur, and the word is freeze. Glide. Glide. Change the gull to burr. Bride. Awesome job, friends. Let's give ourselves a round of applause in a circle. Two more. You're almost there. Here we go. I'm going to give you that ending. We'll add a beginning sound. Just put it on the word. Put them together. So writer. Say writer. add b, the word is brighter. Rye, add f, the word is, did you say it? Fry. Rost, add f, and the word is frost. Good. Raise, add the p to the beginning, praise. Ravel, add t to the beginning, travel. Good job. Rop, you say it, rop, add duh, and it's, did you say it? Hope you did. Drop. Ray, you say it, ray, add g, the word is gray. Rums, add k, and it's, you got it, crumbs. Risk, add b to the beginning, brisk. And ripe, add g to the beginning, grape. Awesome job, friends. We've got one more to go. You've got it. We are going to now take away that beginning sound. So I'll give you that whole word. I'll pull away the beginning. You tell me what's left. Braid, without the b, raid. Crib, without the k, rib. Broom, without the b, room. Fright, now you say it, fright without the f, right. So the second time I'm saying it is when you are saying it. Repeat after me. Prince, you say it, prince without the p, rinse. Trail, without the t, rail. I didn't say it with you. I hope you were saying it. Brain, without the b, let me hear it. Rain, good. Crash, without the k, rash. Prize, without the p, rise. Good, say it. Grow, last one. You say it, grow without the g, grow. Woo! Let's do a little dance. Can we do a little dance? We go like this. Yeah, you did it, friends. Nice work. Congratulate yourself. Awesome job. I'll see you tomorrow.